What's the meaning of compete? Compete. Compete.
Compete. Compete. The word compete means to engage in a contest or rivalry with others, typically for a prize or reward. It involves putting forth one's best effort to win against opponents who are also striving towards the same goal. The result of competition can vary, but it usually leads to one party coming out as the winner while the others are left with a feeling of defeat. In some cases, competition can push individuals or groups to become better versions of themselves due to the drive to succeed. However, when taken too far, it can lead to negative consequences such as aggression and exclusion.